Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to apply for the credit card to apply for the credit card of US Bancorp, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in the link www.usbank.com/credit cards. This is going to take you to the official page, and here you'll be provided with a list of credit card that is available or that is offered by the US Bank. In order to apply for it, you just have to go ahead and read the terms and condition information, all of that. And if you're sure about it, click on apply now underneath the card. Now the applying procedure will remain the same for all of the card that you like, and just press the apply now button. It is going to direct you to the other field. So here you have to go and provide your personal information, that is social security number and then the phone number. As you're done with this, go ahead and click on text me to start, and next you have to go ahead and start filling out the application. And as soon as you're done filling out the application or submitting the application, you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully applied for the so and so credit card. Within no time, you'll be able to receive the credit card through your mail, and you should be able to use it. So that's basically how you can apply for the credit card of US Bancorp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.